Hi everyone, we're going to find the derivative of each function, and we're doing two. So the first thing I want to do for this one is to go ahead and rewrite this. So basically, if I rewrite this, this is 2x plus 5 to the x to the negative 1/2. And I'm going to go ahead and distribute, and you're going to get 2x to the 1/2, because this would be 2 over 2, plus 5x to the negative 1/2. Remember, if this is 1, you can write this as 2 over 2. So when you're adding them, you just get 1/2. Now we can take the derivative. So it's going to be 1/2 times 2x to the 1/2 minus 1, which is actually 2/2. Okay, and then we're going to pull this guy in front. So that's minus 1/2 times 5x to the negative 1/2 minus 1, which is 2 over 2. Now cleaning this up, we're just going to get x, because these will cancel. We're going to get x to negative 1/2 minus 5 halves x to the negative 3/2. So basically, if you want, you can multiply everything through. Let's just go ahead and write this. If you want, you can multiply everything through by 2. Let's see, let's just go ahead and rewrite this. So this is 1 over x to the 1/2 minus 5 over 2 to the 3/2. And to get the common denominator, we want our common denominator to be 2x to the 3/2. So we're just going to multiply each piece by this, if you cross. So you get 2, this is x, sorry, x to the 3/2 minus 5x to the 1/2. And that's going to give you 2x minus 5 over 2x to the 3/2. All right. The next one is this one. So there's two ways I'm going to do it. The first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this as x to the 1/3, and then this is going to be times x to the 1/2 plus 3. So we're going to use the product property and write down x to the 1/3. Take the derivative of this piece. That's just going to be 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. And the 3 goes away. And then you do plus, and then we're going to write this piece, x to the 1/2 plus 3 times the derivative of that, which is going to be 1/3 x, and if you subtract 3/3 from that, that's going to be negative 2/3. All right? And then when you clean this up, you're going to get, let's see, we have 1/2 x. So basically, if you do this part here, you're going to get 1/2 x, so the x's are the same here, to the 1/3 minus 1/2. And then on this one, you're going to get 1/3 x to the 1/2 minus 2/3. And you distribute here, you get x to the negative 2/3. All right? And then cleaning it up further, you're going to get, this is going to end up being, this piece here is going to be 5/6 to the x to the negative 1/6 because you're just adding the 1/2 plus the 3/2 and then take care of that. Then you have plus x to negative 2/3. And then this is going to simplify to 5/6 x to the 1/6 plus 1 over x to the 2/3. Now, an alternative way to do this is to distribute this first and then take the derivative. So if you do x to the 1/3 times x to the 1/2 plus 3, then we can add these up and you get x to the 5/6. Oops, I forgot to do the cube root, so x to the 1/3 plus 3, x to the 1/3. Now take the derivative. I think this way is a little easier. You don't have so many fractions. So we're going to get 5/6 x to the 5/6 minus 6/6, which is 1, plus 1/3 times 3 x to the 1/3 minus 3/3. And that's going to give you 1/6 here and negative 2/3 there, or negative 1/6. So we get 5/6x to the 1/6 plus x, it's just going to be 1, sorry. 1, and this is negative 2/3, so we bring it down to the denominator, x to the 2/3, which is what we got before. And this did go faster. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.